to look at how to add conversations, aka hashtags, into your Maybe account. If you've got any questions at all, please use this blue button bottom right hand side Maybe, so it connects you to us 24/7 and we love to help. So as a business, there are likely to be quite a few different conversations that are relevant to your business and therefore relevant for you to engage with across social media. So I'll show you how to add them to your Maybe account, and then you can actually engage with them all from one place, which is pretty super. So in your Maybe account, under engagement, if you go to engage, now this is where you can actually add conversations, you can add feeds that you want to engage with. So basically it means that every feed, every conversation that's relevant to your business, you can actually engage with from here across multiple platforms, so across Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. And it's really easy to build those groups and conversations. So as you can see here, we've actually got a number of different groups that we've created, groups of feeds that we feel that it's relevant for us as a business to engage with. So you can create those. But today we're going to look at how to actually add a hashtag. It's really easy. So obviously hashtags that are relevant to your business that you might want to engage with, we would say absolutely your place, your sector, and just anything else. So as you're on social media, you will come across conversations that you think that's relevant to me, that's relevant to what I do. So for example, you know, if you are a gifting retailer, things like obviously gift hour, handmade hour, etc. would be relevant to you, as well as some places run sort of Twitter hours, or you might have certain sort of hashtags you've come across that you think just really fit what you do. Basically, you'll know your business best, so you'll know what fits, but that's just some ideas. But how you add them, really easy. You literally type the hashtag in the top just here. So I'm going to type in social media tips, because I think that's obviously very relevant to what we do here at Maybe. And that's it. So it literally means that Maybe will pull all of the posts across Twitter, Facebook and Instagram that have hashtagged social media tips, and they will pull it all into, if you use the drop down for hashtags, you can see all of the ones that we've actually added here. And there's the one I've just added, social media tips. If I tick that one, what will actually appear is all of the content from different feeds across Facebook, Twitter and Instagram that have included that hashtag. So clearly these posts are relevant for me to engage with from Maybe, and therefore whatever hashtags you actually add for your business will be relevant to you. So I hope that's okay. If you've got any questions, click the blue button bottom right, and I'll see you on another video soon.